someone's got to be at drone altitude getting that high quality footage that other people are going to maybe argue about.
I like that stuff. I like getting out, way out. I like going places that nobody else has been before, places that people are unwilling to go, that are a little riskier and or harder to get to, doing things that, I really.
The riskiest drone flyover, drone pattern you had to do?
The riskiest drone, like in terms of like, should I be doing this or like crashing?
Drone fly away. Is the drone? How many drones have you lost?
Am I going to get arrested?
Yeah, I've crashed multiple drones. I've crashed drones. I crashed a drone at Sage Wall. I've crashed a drone in the Black Hole Drop at Belize. Actually, my buddy, he was flying it. He crashed it. I crashed a drone. I mean, yeah, I kind of look at that as like, that just happens. That's that's an expense. And drones, it's a piece of equipment. But yeah, I mean, it sucks to see a $1,000 to $1,500 piece of equipment take a nosedive into a rock, right? Yeah, for sure, that sucks. So insurance on those is a really good thing to have, through DJI.
What about the opposite end of that question? Like, maybe without getting yourself into trouble by saying it, like, have you, what about a drone operation that was maybe could have got you arrested or you weren't supposed to do?
Okay. Yeah. Without getting myself into trouble, there are plenty of times where, because we worked it out. I'll give you this one. I took a drone down to, because we ended up working it all out and it was fine and everything's legit now, but it wasn't when I started. So we were filming and I actually wasn't filming, but I was authorizing it, right? So we were down in Bolivia and we were at Tiwanaku and Pumapunku.